In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is open Photos app and then hit Photos or Albums at the bottom to decide from where you want to delete your photos. Let's start with Photos 1. Hold one of your pictures, and to select multiple, right away use those icons at the top right corners of all of those sections. I have only one, but you probably have multiple. Now, to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from albums, pick an album, hold one of your photos, and this time hit Select All at the top right corner. Keep some photos by tapping on them and delete the rest the same way you would before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!